हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो मैं आज यहाँ पे जो है ना, आप जानते हो कि मैं लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो करती हूँ और मैं बिलीव करती हूँ कि यूनिवर्स जो है ना मुझे एवरी सिंगल टाइम, एवरी मिनट, एवरी डे मुझे सपोर्ट करता है, मेरे लिए हेल्प करता है। तो मुझे इंट्यूशन आई है कि मुझे जो मेरा जो पैशन है पब्लिक स्पीकिंग वाला, कि मुझे पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करना है, मुझे लाखों लोगों के सामने ऐसे बाहें फैला के एकदम जोश के साथ बोलना है, स्टेज पे बोलना है और सारे लोग, करोड़ों लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं उस टाइप का। तो उसके लिए थोड़ी सी ना अपने अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट लाने हैं। तो मेरे जो बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर हैं वो यही कहते हैं कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग थोड़ा सा वो होगा। तो मैं एकदम प्रो तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन हाँ, मैं यहाँ पे जो है ना अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की। तो उसमें मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, मैं एक टॉपिक लूंगी, उसमें कभी मैं हिंदी में कभी इंग्लिश में, दोनों में ही मैं जो है ना टॉपिक को एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। वन डे हम ऐसा कर लेंगे, वन डे हम इंग्लिश में और वन डे हम हिंदी में कर लेंगे। और उसमें मैं आपको पूरी तरीके से अपना पहले स्पीच दूंगी और उस स्पीच में मैं बहुत अच्छे से कोशिश करूंगी जो मैं सीख रही हूँ वो आपको बता सकूं। तो कहाँ किस पे लो पिच पे बोलना है, कब हाई पिच पे बोलना है, वो आप मेरी स्पीच में वेरिएशन देखोगे, धीरे धीरे और ज्यादा डोमिनेटिंग वे में देखोगे, ठीक है। और फिर एंड में जब आप वीडियो पूरा देख लोगे ना, मेरी वो स्पीच सुन लोगे, उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगी कि मैंने कहाँ कहाँ पिच को हाई किया था, ताकि आप भी सेम तरीके से वो चीजें अपने स्पीच पे इंप्लीमेंट कर सके, ठीक है। तो वीडियो को पूरा दिखेगा, जो स्पीच होगी ना वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगी। मैंने उसको 3-4 बार पढ़ा है, पहले राइट डाउन किया है, फिर 3-4 बार पढ़ा है, उसको अपने वर्ड्स में फ्रेम किया है और फिर उसके बाद मैं आपके सामने यहाँ बोलूंगी, ठीक है। तो मे भी थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकल ही एरर होगा, लेकिन ठीक है, हमें बोलना सीखना है, ठीक है। मेन चीज है हमारे सामने जो स्टेज है, सामने जो लोग बैठे हैं, उनके सामने कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलना, हमारे चेहरे पे डर नहीं आना चाहिए। हमारी जो वॉल्यूम है, हमारी वॉइस जो है वो उसका जो है ना फ्रीक्वेंसी लो, हाई एंड इंटेंस सारी चीजें होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। तो चलिए आज टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो ये जर्नी रोज चलेगी, तो प्लीज मुझे बताइए कैसा लग रहा है। तो और हम डेली कुछ ना कुछ ये पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में सीखेंगे ही, ठीक है, ठीक है। सपोज कर लेते हैं ये मेरा माइक है, ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे आदत है इसको होल्ड करके बोलने की। तो सपोज दिस इज माई माइक, ओके। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इट इज ऑफन सेड दैट नो वन कैन डिस्ट्रॉय आयरन बट इट ओन रस्ट। It is often said that no one can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, no can destroy a person, but their own mindset can. We often look for the enemies outside, but the greatest barrier to our growth is often the lack of true perspectives. So hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Vandana Singh and today I stand before you to share my thoughts on the topic that is as old as time yet more relevant today than ever, the real meaning of education. Yes, the topic is the real meaning of education. But before going to start and deep dive into the topic, I want to take a moment to express gratitude and to myself. I thank myself for making the courage to take this opportunity to stand here and to be an active participant in the journey of self-improvement and public speaking. Okay? So, let me start by asking you a question. What is education to you? What is education to you? I want you to really think about it. It is just a certificate or it is a degree from the prestigious university? Tell me. This is the question from my side to you. What is education mean to you? It is just a certificate or the degree from the prestigious university? Okay, I see some of you thinking it is a knowledge, some might be thinking it is a career, but let me honest, most people believe that they can read and write, they are educated. Most of the people, if they can read and write, they are educated. But my dear friend, but this education is not a product that you buy. It is a process you undergo. It is something that make you yours. It is a medium that provide you with a vision to achieve your goal and the character to serve the society as a whole. Now, let's talk about why this is so important for every single one of us. Why are you here today? Why are we striving to learn something new every day? Then, I want to imagine a situation for a moment that imagine you had no education at all. Okay? How would you survive in today's world? Think about a simple thing. Think about these simple things. Would you be able to handle all the finances or pay your bill? Would you be able to provide good life for your family? But it goes much deeper world around us. We see much discrimination, so many old-fashioned mindset and so many social problem around us. If you want to change this thing, can you do without being educated? Change कर सकते हो? No. Tell me, can you fight for your rights if you don't even know what they are? Give me answer. Yes. The answer is definitely no. Education is most important tool we have. It is the key that opens the door to success. If you want freedom in your life, if you want your family to have comfortable and luxury lifestyle, or if you simply want to respect in a society, education is only way. It is not about getting entire life and the way you look at the world. It is a spark that brings a real change in today's time. Beyond the books, however, I want to emphasize one thing. What? Education is not just a bookish knowledge. It is not about spending 20 hours a day with a noise burned into textbooks. True education, standing up, looking ahead and undergoing what world need from you today. It is more about spirituals and the moral growth than just intellectual data. It is more about spiritual and more about moral growth than just individual data. Than the individual data. Think about this. Okay? Suppose a person might be a CEO of a multi-million dollar company. But if they lack empathy, if they do not know how to behave with a fellow human being, or if they are morally bankrupt, are they truly educated? We don't need more people who just know how to print money. We need people who know how to be human. How to be human. We need individuals who are educated in their soul and their behavior, not just their bank account. So, how do we attain this fine education? Where is the source? Tell me. The source is actually a self-awareness. You must look at yourself first. Identify what you are lacking. Okay? See in the mirror. Identify the qualities you have not mastered yet. Write down onto your copy. Okay? Most of the people go through the life thinking they are perfect because no one had told them otherwise. But the moment you started realizing your own deficiencies, the moment you acknowledge your own mistake, that is the exact moment your real education began. It started at home, the circle of empowerment, being with you and your parents. It is a moral foundation they give you in the initial state of your life that determine how far you will be. So it is very important that you have to taught your children, because we are in that stage of life that we have to taught our children the exact moral education. Actually, education is not meant to be the honored like a treasure. It meant to be the share, to be the empowers other. I hope you understand what I am saying. In conclusion, don't just seek to be schooled. जब स्कूल जाना ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. Seek to be educated. Educated होना इम्पोर्टेंट है. Aim to have potential to bring change. ऐसा एम होना चाहिए कि आपके में पोटेंशियल हो कि कोई भी चेंज ला सके, नॉट जस्ट टू मेक अ लिविंग. ओके, तो दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडेज स्पीच. थैंक यू for attending, for your all kind attention and being such a wonderful audience. I will be soon with more lessons or speeches. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.